Impossible! A 50-foot waterfall is blocking the ships. But what if we could lift ships using only water?
Ships sail up and down this beautiful river every day.
But there's a huge problem ahead. And they cannot go down a waterfall either.
So all the cargo must be unloaded here.
Then it's loaded onto another ship.
This takes days and costs millions. There must be a better way.
What if we could LIFT ships up the hill?
Like an elevator, but for giant ships. A hyper-realistic 1/3.
We'll build a lock system.
As the lock gates seal, the lifting mechanism engages. The intricate gears drive the thick cables, using only the power of water. No engines needed, just natural force.
This is going to be amazing.
First, engineers designed the lock chambers.
Each chamber is like a giant bathtub.
"110 feet wide for the biggest vessels.
We'll need THRE lock chambers.
First, a temporary dam diverts the river.
Now we can work in the dry riverbed. This hole will be 40 feet deep. The walls must be absolutely watertight. These walls are 10 feet thick.
The floor is even thicker, 15 feet. This hyper-realistic 1/24 scale miniature shows the massive base slab.
This prevents water from pushing up. Now we build chamber number 2. It sits 17 feet higher than the first. And chamber 3, even higher. These gates hold back millions of gallons.
Each gate is 80 feet tall.
And 65 feet wide.
Made of solid steel 6 feet thick. Hyper-realistic miniature 1/24 scale showing gate construction.
Each gate weighs 700 tons. They swing open like giant doors.
Water pressure actually helps seal them tight.
These hinges are the size of cars. Hydraulic motors will swing the gates. They can open a 700-ton gate in 2 minutes.
Perfect fit, like a giant puzzle piece.
Eight massive gates in total. Hyper-realistic miniature 1/24 scale showing all gates modeled.
Now we need to fill and drain the chambers.
These tunnels are 20 feet in diameter.
Water flows through them to fill chambers. Each valve is 15 feet square.
They slide up and down like window blinds.
Operators will command everything from here.
Cameras watch every part of the locks.
If a ship gets too close, alarms sound.
Guide walls help ships enter straight.
Rubber bumpers protect the chamber walls. Hyper-realistic miniature 124 scale showing fender system model, wall protection, camera shot of bumpers.
Bollards hold the ships in place.
These bollards can hold 500 tons of pull.
Perfect. Not a single drop escapes.
They swing open majestically.
The valves work flawlessly. Now let's see how this magic works.
A ship approaches from the low side.
The first chamber is emptied to match.
It fits perfectly inside.
But watch what happens next.
The chamber starts filling from below.
The ship begins to rise.
Higher and higher it floats. The water lifts 50,000 tons like magic. 17 feet higher in just 8 minutes. Hyper-realistic miniature 124 scale showing first lift complete model, one step done, camera shot of new level.
The ship sails into Chamber 2.
Into Chamber 3 for the final lift.
S scene 111. Water fills, ship rises one more time.
It's now at the top of the waterfall. No unloading, no trucks, no reloading.
The lock system is officially open.
Here comes the first official ship. The ship rises
like magic.
Hooray! This is the best day ever.
Through Chamber 2, rising higher.
Bravo, gentlemen!
Now ships pass through day and night.
Cruise ships bring tourists to see the locks.
Look how high we are.
Oh, it's absolutely beautiful!
This is incredible engineering.
In rain or shine, the locks keep working.
Millions of tons pass through every year. A hyper-realistic 1/24 scale showing annual volume.
The waterfall is no longer a barrier.
Remember when ships had to stop here?
Now they sail right over the waterfall.
Water, the only power needed.
Ancient Romans invented locks 2,000 years ago. But our modern locks are engineering marvels.
3 chambers, 8 gates, millions.
Built by thousands of skilled workers.
Thank you, colossal. Thank you for learning about canal locks.
This small stream carved this canyon over time. A reminder that persistence, like Until next time, keep floating and dreaming.